how to set your trading charts like a professional. I'm actually going to be giving you 3 ideas on how you can set up your TradingView charts. One for swing trading, one for day trading, and then one for a complete hybrid. So let's get to this video to learn and earn and help you guys on your trading journey. Here we are currently using TradingView. Now TradingView is actually integrated with OKX if you want to go and check that out and use that, but also you can use it on BitGet as well. Now what I'm going to do is show you a good way to set this out from swing trading. Now from a swing trading perspective, you can use your indicators how you see fit. These indicators, we have a whole indicator video for you to check out, ding, which is the indicators that I use. So top indicators I believe are actually helpful, and at the end of the day, the indicator, hence the word, is an indication to help you decide your analysis and your thesis when it comes to trading. Now personally, when it comes to on the swing trading side of things, we only really like to have one chart. I like to remove the volume because I don't believe volume is actually enough of an indication to help me get in and out the market in the long term side of things. I believe I can see the volume and the market manipulation and liquidity just from the candlesticks on their own. I like to remove everything as well because this is how it comes as standard. Now the charts are looking pretty clean. So from here, I would also love to use on the left hand side here, it's the rectangle tool, so I'll keep that as a favorite. And then I will also use the trend line tool as a favorite. I use the brush tool here as well as a favorite. And then last but not least, I will use the text tool as a favorite as well. And the reason I use all of these and why I'd want to set it up like this is because number one, the rectangle helps me draw my zones very, very simply. So straight away, we're drawing our support and resistance, and we're drawing our main key areas and key levels. So boom, key levels are in. 4 of them straight away. If I wanted to draw any major trend lines, so for example, we can see here we're on the downward channel, or during this period here before we broke out, we was on an upward channel here as well, and we also had these higher highs here, so trailing out. Let's just remove those to keep it clean, just showing you examples. And then also I use the brush tools just for when I'm talking, just to kind of highlight everything and also review anything in specific. So that's how I would set it to start with. Also, the last but not least is the text. So the text would be just like an S, so we can kind of see this as a major S, or as like a support, or I can say high of the year. And it just makes the chart really simple to see and really simple to understand. Now, of course, I've forgotten 2 things, which I'm going to add them right now, is the buy and sell positions. Now, the buy and sell positions are simply put to help you identify the trading charts using this tool. Now you can execute obviously with your own exchange or whatever it is you want to use, for example a BitGet or OKX, and once that happens you'll be able to see your entry line and your stop loss and your take profit anyway. But I find this a very useful tool, and it conditions yourself to use these tools as well to help you see the overall market conditions and movements. So that's the swing trading setups and some of the tools. Now those tools will be used across the board for the day trading one and then the hybrid one. Now for the day trading one, how would I split the screen? I would split the screen into 2. Now what I would have is on the left hand side I'd have the 4 hours, and the 4 hours help me see the overall movement of the market. And then on the right hand side I'd have a lower time frame, which is a 10-minute or a 30-minute. Currently I use 30 minutes, which is a lot more convenient for me. But what you would do is you can see on the left hand side, we've pulled back down, we've broken these supports, hit this support here and pushing onto the upside. Then on the 30 minutes, we can decipher, okay, cool. Left hand side has told us that we're on a downtrend, it's on these next supports, next key levels. Right hand side, what am I looking for? So the entry requirement I can see straight away is as soon as we break above here, I would want to look for a trade to potentially be above this resistance. So if you want to know our strategy or any more info, there's tons of this all on our YouTube channel. I've got videos on how to draw support and resistance from beginner to intermediate, and even the strategy completely for free on our first ever YouTube video. It's all for free, so it's all there. So just go and check it out if you want to learn and earn. You can check out our socials as well. So remember to follow me on Instagram, I'm trying to grow that, and Twitter as well if you want to find out more daily information. But for the time being, that would be a trade idea: a break above the resistance, a retest on that, and then an entry. Day trade set. So whilst we're on the note and we're using BitGet and this platform, don't forget to check out our link in the description below for up to $40,000 worth of bonuses on your trading, or even if you want to sign up and just try this out and set up your charting platform, link in the description below. It does support us massively here at Coin Bureau and Coin Bureau Trading, and it helps us understand that you guys are liking the content and also want to use these platforms, and it's benefiting you as well. So 20% off your trading fee free, $40,000 worth of bonuses, or if you just want to open an account and just try the platform, go for it. Link in the description, and let's get back to the video. Now, Dan, what's a hybrid? What's a hybrid way to do this? Now, this is a way I used to love having my charts, which is basically 2 on the left-hand side and 1 on the right. So we put 15 minutes, 5 minutes, or 10 minutes on the right-hand side, and then here we can have this one at 1 hour, because I feel like 1 hour is a little bit cleaner, and then here we can have this at 4 hours. So 4 hours to daily, I can alternate between the two, and as soon as I have daily, we can see we've had a huge spike on the left-hand side, gives us the overall story. On the lower one, on the 1 hour or even 4 hours, depending on how I want to split them, we can start to see lower or trade ideas. And as soon as we get a trade ideas from the bottom left hand corner, we can either execute on the right hand side, which is more for the day trading side of things, or just wait and execute on the lower left. Now, the great thing about the hybrid chart is it helps you understand from the long term, the swing positions, the longer term positions, lower time frame positions. But the cons of it is there's a lot more to look at, and it takes a little bit of time to get used to. So I'll give you some examples. So here is some of my day trading charts. Here's another day trading chart. Here is actually one of my day trading charts that I use. So here is the German 30 or German 40 now, and this is how I day trade them. So here's one of the trades with a buy, take profit at Tokyo high, with a continuation from Tokyo low and a pattern A and liquidity from London session. So yeah, that just gives you an idea on how to set up the charts. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. So you learned how to do a swing trading setup, day trading setup, and a hybrid. And there's no right or wrong answer. It's completely up to you and what you like to see in the markets. But this is a good guidance to help you guys get started if you're a beginner, to help you learn and earn and level your way up on your crypto trading career. So if you liked the video, remember to like, comment down below what kind of other content you would love to see, how you actually have your chart set up, and I'll be looking forward to making you more learn and earn videos, and see you in the next video. Champ out, peace.